So, hello student, this is class 4th A, class 4th A, subject GSC date 27/4/2021. We are studying lesson 6, food that build the body. Lesson 6, food that build the body. Build the foods. There must be foods, I think. Foods. Foods that build the body. We are studying this lesson. So now open page number 34. We have studied in this lesson. Last time we have studied about the food and nutrients, about the carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins and minerals, roughage and water. Today we have to study about the junk food. Junk food. You know about junk food? Pizza, burgers, cakes, etc. These included in the junk food. Any food that has a little nutritional value is considered unhealthy and may be called junk food. So junk food having a very little nutritional value and considered unhealthy. So it contains a lot of fat and carbohydrates which can make us gain extra weight. Mainly it causes the obesity. Burgers, pizzas, cakes, coals and French fries are junk food. Now next one, milk. This is commonly called as the balanced diet. If we are taking the milk is called as the complete food. Milk is commonly called as the complete food. So milk contains almost all the nutrients that are needed for growth and good health. Moreover, nutrients of milk can work as a team to keep the body strong and healthy. So we should include milk in our diet. In any form we can use the milk in our diet. Now next important thing is balanced diet. Balanced diet. Balanced diet. The food that we eat on a regular basis forms our diet. A food that we eat on a regular basis forms our diet. What we are taking every day. as we are taking rice, pulses, chapati, vegetables, milk in our diet, daily diet. This is these parts our food. A balanced diet contains balanced amount of all the nutrients. A balanced diet contains balanced amount of all the nutrients, carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins and minerals together with surface and water. A balanced diet is essential for healthy growth and development of our health. Suppose we are taking in our diet, we are not taking pulse in our diet, so we will have the scarcity of protein in our diet. We will suffer from diseases caused due to the scarcity of the protein. So in this way, we have to take all the components of the food in proper ways. Now next, exercise for health. Exercise for health. Exercise is essential. Exercise with a well balanced diet is one of the main contributors to health. Exercise helps our body to work well. It makes our muscles strong. Regular exercise also keeps us fresh and active. Look up exercise makes us lack of exercise makes us tired, lazy and overweight. So exercise is very essential. Exercise makes our muscles strong. Exercise makes us active. It controls our weight. It prevents us from the overweight and laziness. Now next one is preservation of food. How food can be preserved? Next one, preservation of food. Preservation of food. Preservation of food. If we keep the food outside, after some time it get spoiled. So by this method, by the preservation, we can keep food for a long time without spoilage. So we have to read about this. All food will eventually spoil if not preserved. Some food items like grains, sugar or nuts can be stored for a long time. Others such as milk or meat stay usable for only few hours to one day. When food is exposed to air and moisture, germs begin to grow on it and the food get spoiled. It can it can prove harmful for us. Food. So what we should have to do? We should have to keep our food for is we have to protect our the food from the spoilers. So food preservation is the method to slow down the decay of food. Here are some common ways for preserving food. How food can be preserved? One method is boiling. You are familiar with boiling? First method is boiling. You are familiar with boiling. Your mother boil the milk. If not boiled, it will get spoiled. So boiling kills the harmful germs and bacteria. Milk is boiled to save from turning sour for some more time. Next, freezing. We are also familiar to this method. Freezer, you know that having the refrigerator. Freezing preserves food for later use. Food items kept in low temperature slows the growth of germs. Milk, eggs, meat, fruits and vegetables are preserved by keeping them in a refrigerator. So drying. One more method you know about drying. Drying helps the moisture evaporate from food. The food spoilers germs require moisture to survive. Peas, dates, raisins, fish are kept dry to keep long. Dryness prevent the growth of harmful living things on them. So this is also an important method, that is drying. You know about the our food grains before storage, they expose into sun to remove the moisture. Moisture attracts or favors the growth of the microbes which spoil the food. Next, pickling. You also know about pickling, pickles. Pickling. Pickling is a process of preserving food. Preservatives like salt and oils are added to certain food to slow down the growth of the germs. Lime, mango, chilies, carrots, and many other vegetables are pickled. You know about the pickles. In the pickles, oils and salts are added. Oils and salts work as the preservative. That is why they are added into the pickles. Next, canning. Next one is canning. So, canning is next method is canning. Canning is preserving fruits and vegetables in jars with lids that seal to keep them fresh. Some items such as fruit juices, sauce and gems are put in seal cans. So we must remember that a well Balanced diet and adequate exercise are necessary for good health. So once more, well balanced diet and adequate exercise are necessary for a good health. Thank you. That's all today.